Possibility.
It is a possibility at some point, Corinne. It's even a possibility today because with any storm, yes, it could ramp up real quick and become severe. But, I mean, that's really with any storm in East Texas at this time of year. Even in June, we're going to be dealing with that anyway just because of just how unstable our weather pattern is. I mean, we're kind of getting into the months where we've got a lot of Gulf moisture, we have a lot of wind, and we've got cold fronts that will move through, and that just kind of lifts all that moisture up into the atmosphere. That rain cools, and then it comes right back down in the form of storms. But temperature-wise, we are in the 60s and 70s. Some drizzle being detected in Jacksonville, but we've been able to see those temperatures recover in the 70s, so we may very well start to see a few more of those pop-up showers and thunderstorms get going. That is not the case right now, with the exception of a couple of these drizzle showers. Now, off to our south and to our southeast, it's a little bit of a different story. Near Jasper and Newton, Texas, starting to move into Louisiana, that's what's left of what we saw this morning. But overall, we're really not dealing with much here in East Texas. I do want to get you to some of these storms that are trying to pop off but are having a hard time doing so, because the air in East Texas right now is a little more stable than it was this morning. You can see across Henderson County a couple of these little bubble ups to the southwest of Athens and to the south of Malakoff there. So we'll keep an eye on that. Over to the east again, showers over Toledo Bend. That's the most widespread rain we have in the area. And at this point, I'm not really anticipating much in the way of severe activity. A couple of showers to our north in eastern Upshur County. Dew points in the 60s and 70s, so that Gulf moisture is kind of recovering, but it's not recovering out to our west. You can pretty much draw the dry line slash cold front, which is to the northwest. It's a 50-degree dew point at DFW. It's a 65-degree dew point in Tyler. So we will continue to see a few more bubble up showers and thunderstorms. This is between about 4 and 5 o'clock. You can see those bubble ups near Henderson and Jacksonville. And then as we move into the overnight hours, we dry out. By 7 o'clock, we're just seeing a little bit of drizzle for deep East Texas, but as we go into Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday evening, we'll start to see a few storms fire well off to our northwest. Now, rain chance is relatively slim tomorrow. Don't cancel those plans. It's just going to be windy and it's going to be warm. But as we head into your Thursday, things begin to change. After a couple of complexes of storms pass us by to the west, at 8 o'clock Thursday morning, all eyes will be peeled to our west. Here's what's going to happen. Now, I am concerned about this, and we will probably need to issue a severe weather alert day because of this line of strong to severe thunderstorms. You can already see those Boeing segments that the model is trying to indicate, and that means strong to severe thunderstorms if this were to verify. But again, we're still about 48 hours out, and we need to look through and kind of weed out all the bad data members that we have in our high resolution models. We'll do that, and we'll let you know what's going on with the latest tonight and tomorrow morning. Severe weather outlook for today. Marginal risk, we have a lot of those, and we don't have a lot of level 3 enhanced risk. We have a few every year, but we don't have a lot. But that level 3 enhanced risk is for our northeastern counties at this point. 80 for a high temperature today, about a 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. I reduced that to 10 because, yeah, we might see a little bit of drizzle here and there, but it's not amounting out to much. We're down into the 60s as that humidity returns by tomorrow morning. 80s Wednesday and Thursday, 90s returns Sunday and Monday. Deep East Texas, for both East Texas and Deep East Texas here, we're tracking that severe weather threat on Thursday. And for the latest on that severe weather threat, you can always head on over to KETK.com.
Thank you very much.